Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is the Olympiad maths question. We need to find the value of this equation. You can see the equation is in exponent form. 2 raised to the power x plus 3 raised to the power x minus 4 raised to the power x plus 6 raised to the power x minus 9 raised to the power x equal to 1. So how to find this x value? First of all, 2 power x is as it is, and this 3 power x is also as it is. And this 4 raised to the power x, we'll write this 4 is 2 square x plus 6. Can we write 3 into 2 is the 6 in the product form, and 9 is 3 square power x equals to 1. And after that 2 power x and 3 power x is as it is, minus this x come inside and 2 is outside. And we will split this power in both the numbers, 3 power x into 2 power x minus same x is inside and 2 is outside, okay, is equal to 1. Now we will assume this, can we suppose 2 power x is a and 3 power x is the b. So we will write this a plus b, minus it is your a, and power is square, so it is a square, plus it is b, it is a minus b square equals to 1. Okay, after that this one transpose the left hand side, it is ab, so right hand side will become 0. Okay, now after that we will multiply this equation by minus 1 both side. So all the negative sign convert into the positive sign, and all the positive sign convert into the negative sign. So first we will write the positive sign. This minus a square convert into positive sign. This b square is also positive sign, and these signs are the negative and it will convert into the positive sign, and this ab is convert into negative sign, and this a and b is also negative both, and this one is the positive and equal to 0. Okay. Now we will multiply by 2 both side. So it will 2a square 2b square minus 2ab minus 2a minus 2b plus 2 equal to 0 into 2 is 0. Now we are using the identity. You can see this a square. Can we split this square 2 times? A square plus a square, and 2b square we will write b square plus b square, and this minus 2ab is as it is, and this minus 2a and minus 2b is as it is, and this 2 will also split into 1 plus 1. Okay, now we are using the identities here. A square plus b square minus 2ab. These terms will make the identity. Okay, this one and this one, and after that this one plus a square and this one minus 2a plus 1. It will also make the identities. After that this b square and this minus 2b, and last one plus 1. Now see carefully, this will make the identity a minus b whole square, and this will make the identity a minus 1 whole square, and it is b minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. We know that perfect square number, these are the perfect square number. These are perfect square number. These are the perfect square number, and these value a minus b whole square, it will be always greater or equal to 0. Equal to 0 is here, but this value is a minus b whole square. This value is always greater than 0, because here the square, these are the square number is always give the positive value. Okay, so it will always greater than equal to 0. This is also, and this one also, and this one also. Okay, so if we assume that a minus b, this part is greater than or equal to 0, so a minus b, can we write a minus b equal to 0 by here? You can see here. Okay, and similarly a minus 1 equal to 0 and b minus 1 equal to 0. Why? You can see here a minus 1 whole square is equal to 0 and greater than. So we'll write a minus 1 equal to 0. Similarly b minus 1 equals to 0. So a value is b goes to that side equals to b, and a value here is the 1 and b value equals to 1. Now you can see a and b, both the values are 1 and 1. So you can see a and b obviously are equal. Okay. So after that, if a and b is equal to 1, so a is equals to b. So these two things means these two values implies that a equals to b equals to 1. And your initial assumption is 2x equals to a. And a is your 1. A is your 1. And it is 2x. And everybody knows this 1. Can we write this 1 is 2 power 0? Any number power is 0, it will give the 1 value. So 1, can we write this 1? Instead of 1, we'll write the 2 raised to the power 0. So you can see the base are the same, both the equal parts. So x equal to, this is implies x equals to 0. You can find out this x value from here also. 3x equals to b. So 3x and b value is also 1. So this one, can we write this 1? 3 raised to the power 0. And the base are same in the both side. So power should be equate. Power should be equated. So x equal to 0. So we'll find easily x value. Hope you have understood this question. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.